We have here the kamuti and the gabi. The kamuti and the gabi. Next ingredient will be banana. Bana. Matamis nga bana. Oh, banana. Ata. Okay. The coconut milk. We have the sagu. It looks like bagoong, but it's sagu. Sagu? No, it's not sagu. It's landang. Okay. Next, we have the landang. And next, we have the sagus. Nakalatik. Oh, the unang puga. Sagata. Ah, amazing. Very impressive. Wow. Looks very yummy. Here it is. First time ko ani karon ha.
Wow, kagwapa.
Nag-vlog. So we have the brown sugar. 1 bowl of brown sugar. It's very latic already. And next we have the red sugar. The kamay in our language. The kamay. Now we're done cooking binignit. It's already our panghatag portion. For Mama Belen, for Christine, for Randy, for Raquel. Oh, okay na. Christian. For more. Okay. Wow, ang sarap. Okay, more. Done. Alright, makatilaw sila sa luto ni Jane. Magto, yun ang inyong laway. For panghatag portion.